Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you will have to open Settings, then you have to enter System section, go to the Backup. Here you have to enable this feature Backup to Google Drive. Then what you have to do is to add your Google account. So firstly, you will have to enter your email or phone number here. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to tap Accept here, then tap OK here, and after that your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.